What is up, YouTube? You're joining me today on a quick spin out to a place called Okuibuki Skijo, which for you guys who have been on this channel for a while, you'll remember I went there once on my MT-07. Basically it's a ski resort, but obviously in the summertime, like now, when it's hot and humid, there's no snow. So they rent out the car parks mainly for drifting people, cars and like car gymkhana events and stuff like that. So I'm going there today to hopefully meet the boss. I did call in advance, so I'm going to meet them and tell them that I'm planning on doing some bike events, which is sort of stunt practice, knee down practice, body position practice, anything that anyone wants to do basically. But I need to, obviously I'm not doing this just to blag a free go on the car park, of course. Obviously I need to check the surface and make sure it's not too slippery because of all the drifting cars that have used it and all the rubber that's probably down. I'm just checking that it's not too slippery. So yeah, I'm going to do a safety check hopefully today, and then as long as it's good and everything's sweet, I'm going to book an event and get some of the local foreign guys and a couple of Japanese guys as well to all have a nice little practice event together. Ride in the morning, barbecue at lunchtime, ride in the afternoon. So yeah, let's go and check it out. Oh. Let's get behind this truck. Slipstream. Give me some slipstream. Oh, oh my god. Oh, that's enough. Next. Oh man. I love naked bikes, but holy crap. 160 kilometers an hour and the wind is just killer. My neck is killing me. Once more into the fray. Hi, ありがとうございます。よし。ございました。ございます。Alright, so I finally reached the mountain. As you can see, there's no snow, obviously. So we're going to get up to the top of that place and go and find this skijo. What the fuck is this? Giant insect just hit me in the chest. Another village. Seems like a shame to come here and not do some scratching. So yeah, basically in the winter this is a ski resort, and in the summer it's basically completely unused, because how do you ski in the summer? So basically what they do is, all these car parks, obviously in the winter this is all covered in snow, but yeah, in the summertime they rent out all these car parks, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I think there's 8 car parks that are all huge like this. So they rent them out to people who want to mainly do drifting and like gymkhana, and it's basically all cars. So basically what I've come today to try and speak to them and ask them if I can rent. I wanted this one, but I think it's a bit too big, to be honest. I wanted to ask them if I could rent one of these car parks to do an event for the local guys. So yeah, I'm just going to send the drone up for a bit and then go and find someone to speak to. So let's see what it looks like from the air. Alright, so here I am walking around car park number 6, which is the car park that I think would be the best for a bike practice event. As you can see, there's a nice waterfall behind me over there. The surface is okay. There's a few painted lines which could be a bit slippery, but otherwise I think it'd be perfect car park. And there's some undulations as well, which would be good for dudes that want to do stunts and wheelies and stoppies and stuff like that. So yeah, this is the car park that I am planning on doing an event on. Oh yeah, this is a nice place. Anyhow, time to get going home. Bum, 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 bum. Alright guys, so thank you for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I didn't manage to film the actual test of the venue, but I had a good few laps, about 5 minutes, with the owner of the place, and he said, yeah, okay, if that's the kind of thing you want to do, we'll be happy with that. Didn't do any wheelies or stoppies or anything, just did some knee down practice, and said to him, oh, I want to set up some pylons. What the fuck? Set up some pylons and you know, do like a gymkhana style course. Wow, that's fucked up. So yeah, he was okay with it. I've just realised I'm going the wrong way, that's why I'm turning around. And I think basically he told me a weekday would obviously be better and cheaper, but if it is a weekend, then car park number 6, which is the one I was interested in, is not such a popular one. Don't know why, but yeah, he said it's usually free even on weekends. So we talked about money. It's a little bit expensive. I told them, you know, like this, I'm basically doing a club, a motorcycle safety club. I told them it's only for foreigners and I don't have that many members, so it's going to be difficult to raise like be like, yeah, £1,300 for a day, which is, I don't know, like $1,500. So there's only about 10 people at the minute, so I don't think everyone will want to pay 150 bucks each just to hoon about on their bikes for a day. Maybe if it was a real track, then yeah, but not on a place like that. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and try and organise that. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed today's video. A bit of a mix of everything today. We had the drone, a 360 camera, we had twisty roads, we had a wheelie, we had some knee down. What a great day I had. And I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, and as always, smash the fire out of that like button. I shall see you in the next video. Goodbye for now.